pink fairy, 1, 2, 3. Come on, let's get fancy, fancy. Pink fairy, shop with me. Let's go to Target, Walmart, Aldi.
Everyone,
Noon.
how's everyone doing?
Pink fairy, 1, 2, 3. Come on, let's get fancy, fancy.
Good morning, everyone. We got some snow overnight last night. Tim's out here shoveling it off the porch. How much did we get, Tim, you think? A lot of it's kind of melted because we've gotten some rain.
At least 3.
Yeah, because there was a lot more out here.
Yeah.
I'm trying to get here and record to show you, but he's fast at shoveling. We got all that down there for the dogs.
Yeah, I got to get the shovel out.
Oh, I can hear something melting.
Yeah, it's
It's raining. Oh, it's raining now.
37.
Out. But then it's supposed to change over and get more snow.
Yeah.
Something like that. So, it's coffee time now. That means. Yes, it does. Got to stock back up on our food. Don't want to go hungry during this snowstorm. Let's get some caramel. I think that's all that's left. I need to pick up some coffee. Oh no. I need coffee. Well, I've got all the shoveling done. Haley would have been here. She would have done it. She likes to go out and shovel. She's weird like that. But look at the table though. I think it's done. See how the snow and now it's coming to ice? Ew. That's weird. But then it's supposed to get colder tonight and turn back to snow. Time to find some lunch though. Hungry. But Tim said we got about 3 inches of snow. Yay. Just yay. Wants to be on our video. Why, well. Okay, I think I'm going to do some sweet and sour chicken tonight. Got the chicken in there. Don't look at my dirty stove. I got to wipe this off. That's what happens when you let people cook in your kitchen. Yeah. Not no more. Okay, I think I'm going to have leftover spaghetti. Also, with sweet and sour chicken tonight, I'm going to make probably some sweet potatoes. I'm putting a little bit of cheese on there. Oh, yeah. Yeah. So this is what we had left out of dinner last night. So might as well eat it up. I don't want to feel like making nothing else. So. And it's 1:43 p.m. and I haven't eaten today. Oh, yeah. I ate that little Debbie cake. I might eat another one of those. I don't know. We'll see. There we go. Hey. I ain't even leaving the house today. No shopping for me. No out there. Nope. No, thank you. Hey guys, look, here's the sweet and sour chicken. Oh, it smells so good. I think it's pretty done. Don't that even look good? I just poured that sweet and sour pack on it and then cooked it on high for about 3.5 hours. And I got some macaronis on. Going to do sweet potatoes, but it's getting so late. And they take forever in the oven, so I don't know yet. I might just do regular potatoes. For tonight anyways. I don't know yet. So we'll see. But anyways, I'm going to get this out. And now I'm going to leave it in here until the macaronis get done. I poured a little bit of water in it. Seems how it was like a powder sweet and sour. It showed on the back how to do it, but I didn't do it the way it said because they wanted all this other stuff in with it. And I was like, nah, no thanks. Anyways, so I will definitely let you guys know what this tastes like for sure because it smells really wonderful. Hey guys, Haley's home, so she wants to show you the birthday cards she got.
Thank you. I like it. It's really pretty.
Stuff on her shirt from her new, what is it called? A hoodie?
I got
Hoodie
it really
that she
cheap
got.
too. It's real cheap. But
Yes, it's real pretty. I love it.
I love this. It's definitely a art. Yeah.
So yeah, that's very beautiful.
It just says wishing you a truly extraordinary day in the year ahead. Happy birthday. Have a wonderful day. Your friend Michael.
That's
I don't
cool.
know how to say her name. It's Art
That's
or
sweet.
Ant or something like that.
And then they put this pen in too.
That is so cute. Thank you.
That is cute. It's Disneyland one. Take a picture of it. Hold the card up in that. So they could see them both together. That card is pretty. I like it. I like it a lot. So that's it. Then she got some gum and some chips and that new sweater and a Starbucks drink that she done drunk. And the new shirt she got on, but it has stuff on it. And then she got some eyeliner and lip gloss. Let me show them
This
better
is
on the lip
mascara.
gloss. People want to see that.
It's from just a Walmart brand. Or not Walmart brand, but it's from Walmart.
From Walmart, yeah.
And I
It
got
won't
this.
focus. The color. Don't really say
It's
the
more like a. It does. Hold on.
kind of like a nude. It's
It's
kind of glossy
off.
and
It's a rose gold, or it's like a rose, a pale rose.
okay, guys. Here's dinner. I should have made some gravy, but these are garlic and chive mashed potatoes, and they're so good. Believe it or not, I haven't tested the chicken out, but we will. From what I could tell, it tastes pretty good. Might have me a butter bread there too. I don't know yet. We'll see. Okay, let's do a taste test with this chicken. See, it's got a lot of the stuff on it. I don't know if it'd be too dry. I need barbecue sauce. It's pretty good. Anyway, like I said, that sweet and sour was a powder, and it called for other stuff, but like cornstarch and I don't know. I just poured it in there like that and put a little water in. Cooked it up. Tastes good. It turned out really good. So you guys want, you try it. I got it at Aldi's, I think. Pretty sure I did.
With Italian and all that.
Best dinner ever. Well, I think I say that with all the dinners. Anyways, I'll get off here. It's already 7:30. I know. I'm eating dinner a little bit late. Anyways. Haley's got home a few hours ago. Anyways. I'll go off here and eat and try to get this uploaded for you guys for tonight. If not, so I have to show it for you tomorrow, I guess. So, thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And all the sharing you guys do on my Facebook. All my social media links are down below. Facebook and Instagram. And I love you all. And I'll see you tomorrow.